What's going on, guys? It's your boy Lottie back with another video, man. Shout outs to everybody who's been showing support on all these last videos, man, and been running it up. I do appreciate every single one of you, man. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get a notification every time I upload a video, man. Never miss a video. What's the point? You feel me? But either way, moving on. Listen, these are things you never want to do when you're getting waves, and this, I feel like you need to take this serious, because if you're not taking it serious, you know what, you're not taking this. So check this out. First off, one thing you never want to do is brush too quickly. That's literally number one. You don't want to brush quick. When you're brushing, you want to take your time. You understand? Take your time, follow your groove. What is the hell is this? Hold on, I have a brush. Literally have a brush right here. Listen, you want to take your time. You know what I'm saying? Follow your hair pattern and take your time. Whether you're doing 360s, 720s, hybrids, whatever you're working on, take your time brushing your hair, man. It's something that you're pretty much putting a whole lot of time into, so you might as well do it the right way. That's one. Second, another thing you don't ever want to do, and trust me, you're gonna hate this because it does happen sometimes, is fall asleep without a do-rag. Come on, bruh. You need this. This helps completely, man. What most people don't know is their pillow eats at the hair because it takes all the oils, all the natural oils in your hair, and it dries up your hair, so you wake up with a dry scalp. Also, it kills your waves, all that progress that you was brushing for, and all those hours and all that time you put in. I mean, are you not getting the point? Like, don't sleep without a do-rag. These are a must when you go to sleep, man. Get over that little old headache thing. Stop tying your do-rag so tight. Maybe you don't need that much pressure. Just saying. Another thing that you don't want to do when you're getting waves is put too much grease. You don't want to use that much pomade. All you need is a little bit of on your finger. You can rub it into your hand and put it in. You don't need that much pomade, man. I had to learn this the hard way. I've put too much pomade in my hair time in and time again, and like, I'm not doing that anymore. It's a dub. Like, I've actually gotten way better progress without even using pomades, with using all natural products and stuff like that. And as you guys get more experienced with your hair, you can do the same thing as well. And if you follow the channel, man, maybe from time to time I'll post a little bit of videos here and there to let you guys see exactly what I'm talking about. Boom. Okay, and this is another thing you don't ever want to get caught up in. I mean, I know a lot of you guys be out here trying to be all booed up and be cute on the gram, but you don't want to get caught out here like Nicki Minaj did to Meek Mill, you feel me? You don't want to ever brush against the grain of your hair. You always want to follow your pattern. I mean, if you're tired of your waves and you want to brush your hair like that, by all means, fine, do what you gotta do. But if you love your hair, you love your hair, for God's sake, you do not want to brush against the grain. Keep it going with the grain, with the way that your hair is going, with the way that your pattern is going, and you're going to see a lot of progress, man. Also, last but not least, I mean, there's so much more things, but this is just a quick list for you guys, so you don't have to get caught in any of those situations. You always need a mirror. The mirror helps you find your crown. Oh my God, this mirror needs cleaning. It looked like I jizzed on it. What the? Are you? But yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. Either way, that last video I uploaded, I was supposed to show you guys one other sneaker that I did pick up, and I didn't put it in that video. I have no idea why, but it was the Jordan 10 Seattles. Super dope colorway. It has that Seattle green in there with the black tongue and the white mid upper. Like, this is just fire. Black Jumpman on the back, on the bottom. Of course, I wore it once. I did wear it on my mother's birthday, but y'all already knew that.